So we are here at IMS 2015. I'm here at the Cree booth with Tom and Benoit. So Tom, can you tell us something about the Cree services and products you offer?
Cree offers GaN MMIC foundry services for those who wish to do custom MMIC designs. We have two process technologies. One is what we call V3, and that's based on a 0.4 gate length process that supports 28 and 50 volt operation. We also have what we call V4, which is a 1/4 micron gate length, and that process supports 28 and 40 volt operation. Designers that can choose to either have a custom lot or they can have a spot on a pizza mask, and we support those designs using PDKs and based on AWR, microwave office, as well as ADS. And we're here today to hear about the AWR implementation of the PDK.
Thank you, Tom. Benoit, can you also tell us a little bit about DWT, please?
Yes. Design Workshop Technologies is a software company who provides CAD software for over 2 decades now. Our CAD software is a mask layout software with all the back-end verification in terms of design rule checking, extractions of devices, and LVS, layout versus schematic. And we've been providing software for almost 2 decades to Cree. And we're now in partnership with Microwave Office from National Instruments for providing our verification tool suite and extraction at LVS combined with our environment.
And Dustin, please show us the demo.
Okay, I'll give a brief overview, a sample circuit provided by Cree that shows the integration of the DWT verification software within the AWR design environment using the Cree GaN PDK. So here for our example design, we have a simple MMIC, and we're at the point where we'd like to run verification. So I created a hotkey button here to open the DWT interface. Here's where we point to the design verification tool executable and the rule file. For the first part, we will run DRC, do a design rule check to make sure everything looks good electrically. Click the OK button, DWT pops up, runs real quick, does all the magic. We come back and now we have our design rule violations. For the purposes of demonstration, what we've done here is we've used an older DRC rule deck in order to create somewhat false errors to show how one can cross-probe and highlight the DRC errors. So for example, we have a cap open error here too, and if you double click on it, it zooms in and highlights exactly where that error is. Here, for example, we have an overlap of metal 1 on the resistor. If we double click on that, you can see over here on the left side, it's highlighted where the DRC error is. Now, if we wanted to do an LVS check, first I'd clear out my DRC errors and view all again, run the same script, switch from DRC over to LVS. We do have several options for LVS if we wanted to change parameters, tolerances, things like that. I'm just going to leave those at default for now. Click OK. Once again, DWT pops up automatically in the background, runs the LVS check, and we have found 4 LVS errors. Additionally, a text file has popped up giving a lot more specific details about the LVS itself. Here we can see we have 9 LVS mismatches. We can click on them to see where the problem is occurring. We have a problem with the TFR resistor and the schematic net. So if I go into my layout window here, I can see I accidentally put a metal 1 rectangle in my layout. I delete that out of there, clear the old errors, run one more time. DWT runs again, and it pops up saying we have run with no errors and we are ready to send our design to fab for tape out. Thank you very much.